All right, we got a 2008 Honda Accord EXL. It's a coupe. Sunroof stuck open. Switch doesn't work. I don't know what the problem is, but I'm gonna show you guys how to manually close it. Up here in the headliner, you go to the back, stick your hand in there, you pull on this. Don't worry, you're not ripping anything. You're just undoing these little pins. There's two of these little thingies. 1, 2. And then you could see the motor back there. Get my camera in here. So there's the motor right here. And I got a little tool. It's a size 4 hex key. There's gonna be a little hole right there. You stick it in there and you turn counterclockwise. I don't know if you guys can see, but all the way in the front, sunroof is closing. You do that until it's closed. I could keep going and it would open it all the way, which that's not what I want. But yeah, that's how you close it. That's it.